Shit, bro, let's start talking about the shit we don't show, man.
Which is...
Hello, hello. How you doing? We're here in Pebble Beach. We're back at it again. I'm showing you guys the stuff that I normally don't show because I never think about it, you know. But right now, we've already stripped these floors two times, people. So right now, we're coming back doing the detail of the detail. I got my man Malcolm here right next to me. Step back a little, Malk. So what I got Malk doing right now is there's little chunks of like, there's so much wax and sealer buildup on this floor everywhere. I got him coming behind me and he's taking a little razor blade and a little scraper and he's digging all the little black stuff out of the little pits and the little grooves. You know, that's how detailed we do it, people. That's how we take it to the next level. You know, we sit there and we dig it out. And in areas like that where it's an actual hole, we'll come back and fill that full of grout. But all the areas that are just tiny little holes, we'll leave those. But that's that difference, that's that detailed difference, that's that next level, that's that, there's not a machine on the planet that could do that next level. That's really taking your time, giving the customer the best. So the purpose of the video is basically just taking things to the next level. You know, I find most of the people I work for want things to be the best, not sorta, not kinda. So, as you look back actually over here, we still haven't done this area. I just really want to show you guys what I'm talking about here so you really get it. Like, see this little black stuff in here? I mean, this stuff is huge, thick pits like this, people that are full of this stuff, and it's hard to melt it out. So that's how we're coming back and scraping it out. So, you may have to do this for your floor. This floor is actually 106 years old. This is actually a really unique floor down here in Pebble Beach, Monterey area. This floor is 90, this floor is a little old. We don't want this floor to be new. So we're trying to make it look old but new at the same time. So anyway, though, like us, subscribe, share. And we got tons of people working on the job site, so disregard that. We got people working everywhere, so don't worry about it. It's a huge project they got going on right now. So purpose of this particular video is just basically the extra detail, going the extra mile, doing what it takes to give the customer the best. Like I said, we're just coming back in areas that I've already stripped multiple times, and the stuff's just having a hard time coming out because it's so old and been on here for 100 years. We're just going to come back and just slowly detail it out. So anyway, like and subscribe, share. You know, if you have a project like this and you'd like me to come out, actually realizing, you know, I go everywhere. I've been to Idaho doing this. We've been to North Dakota, Texas a few times, Arizona. So just so you people know, I'll go anywhere if you see the value in bringing us out. So don't be shy. We did a hunting lodge in North Dakota that had like 3,000 square feet, stuff like that. So anyway, we will travel. Go to my private email, Fritz_Whitman, excuse me, and leave me some square footage, leave me a small message, tell me about your project. I'll get back to you, and we'll talk about it. Have a good day, people. I'm going to get back to work.